Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Floki update today because the show is still going on and continuing on for Floki as well. I gave you an ascending triangle. We broke ascending triangle. We're coming to the technical target. We're near the technical target. The target is met. So the past 2 months has been crazy. Pepe made my technical target were made for Pepe, for Bonk, for Jasmine, for Floki now. All right. So Floki is next one in the coffin out there. But what I want to say very quickly, because everyone is wondering how far we're going to continue to go. So, number one, we do have some room to still continue higher. If you look on the RSI, okay, the RSI on the daily is not that oversold, okay. We still have the room to go higher, but it doesn't mean that in the middle you're not going to correct a little bit. Now, that's the first thing. The second thing is that just like we talked about the support and resistance, and if you notice right over here, we actually broke the support, retested, and we started pushing to the upside. The next resistance that you probably may wonder is the all-time high itself. So you're looking for that all-time high, and you've actually taken the stop loss of the all-time high. Do you see that? This one has been taken out right over here. So anyone who had the stop loss here, they had it here. Now there is a scenario that this is what may happen. Many people may think this is a good time to short, and they start to open up short position thinking it's going to go down, and eventually we break above, we retest, and we also continue to move to make even new all-time high for Floki, or you actually just get rejected here and go to the downside. And as I told you before, the RSI has space to continue to go and move even higher. So there is a probability and a chance that we break above and continue to go to the upside. So I'm going to leave you with that, and you have to check it out for yourself, because this is a place where previously people sold and it went down. It can actually happen again, and then it can go down. Now you have to be careful, because 4-hour time frame here perhaps is actually on resistance as well. You can see that, right? So the daily is good, but we need a clear break. All right, so if anyone is in profit, pay yourself, but we need a break. We need a nice good retest, a nice good successful retest for me to say, hey, new all-time high is coming. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.